Reagent is defined as attacking species. Attacking species is known as reagent. That reagents are of two types. One is electrophilic reagent, or it is also known as electrophiles. Electrophilic reagent or electrophiles. Second one, nucleophilic reagent or nucleophiles. The electrophilic reagent, first one, or electrophiles, are defined as, name itself indicates its meaning. Electrophiles are nothing but electron attracting or electron loving species. They are electron attracting species. As they are electron attracting means itself they are electron deficient species. Electron deficient species. Electrophiles are electron deficient species. They having the deficiency of electron. As it is electron deficient, it means it will be attacked at such center where there is a high electron density. It means it attack, or electrophiles attack at high electron density center. High electron density center. As it will be attacked at high electron density center where there is a negative charge at that center, it means itself it is generally positively charged. Okay, on the basis of that we can say that electrophiles are generally positively charged species. Positively charged species. As, or for example, H plus, Cl plus, NO2 plus, X plus like Br plus, Cl plus, all these are the electrophiles which having the positive charges. But there are some molecules which doesn't having the positive charges but they are electrophiles. It means again the electrophiles are such species which having the deficiency of electrons, that is they having the incomplete octet. Okay, the incomplete octet molecules are the electrophiles, that are nothing but the Lewis acids. Lewis acids are electrophiles due to incomplete octet. Due to incomplete octet, their octet is incomplete, that's why they accept the electron, they will attack at high electron density center. And the example of that Lewis acid is AlCl3, ZnCl2, BF3, SnCl2. All these are the examples of Lewis acids which accept the electrons, that's why they are electrophiles. The S3O plus is not electrophile, since in some molecule they are having the positive charge but their octet is complete, then it is not electrophile. Electrophile means it will attack at high electron density center. Okay. Now, secondly, the nucleophiles or nucleophilic reagents. Nucleophiles or nucleophilic reagents. Here it is defined as electron rich species. These are electron rich species they attack at as it having the high electron density, it means it is electron rich species, then it will be attack at low electron density center. It attack at low electron density center. Nucleophiles, they are nucleus attracting, it means they are attracting to the positive charge. They will attack low electron density center, or they will be attack at positively charged species. Generally they are negatively charged species. Generally nucleophiles are negatively charged species. Negatively charged species. For example, OH minus, Cn minus, Br minus, like that, having the negative charges. Okay, they attract to the positively charged species. It attract positively charged species. It will attract those molecules which having the positive charge, and or it will be attack on such molecule which having the that is low electron density center. Okay, again there are some molecules which doesn't having the negative charge but they acts as a nucleophile. That is the due to the having the excess of electron, it means its octet is complete, and then the having the electrons, that electrons are nothing but the free electrons or unsaid pair of electrons. They are available for donation, they are available for attack. That's why such molecules, they are the Lewis bases. Lewis bases are nucleophiles. Due to complete octet, along with unsaid pair of electron, unsaid, that is free, or you can say the lone pair of electrons, unsaid or that is free electrons. For example, ammonia molecule, NH3 having one lone pair of electron, again water, H2O with lone pair of electron, then again CH3OH alcohol, CH3SH, thiol, like that. In this way we can define and classify, that is distinguish electrophile and nucleophile along with the example. Okay.